Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. This is Jock here, and I am just going to show you how to operate your sub-accounts feature where you can register your staff or your book or other websites that you have. This is for diamond level members only, and if you are not a diamond level member, then you will not have this feature on your system. Another thing to note is that you will not see this feature until you have properly, the manager has actually added all of their featured details. So your contact, your profile photos, your listing details, your about and the service areas, everything that you do here, once this is done and verified, then your sub-accounts will come up. And all you do to register a sub-account is very easy. Go into your sub-account feature. And as you'll see, I'm just going to go and show you ones that Jake has got here. And if you go to view your sub-accounts, you'll see that these are the sub-accounts in there, and that's the name of them and their emails, etc., etc. And to add it, it's very simple. You add the account, you set it to not active for now, because if obviously you want them to fill up their details. If they don't fill up their details, then it can be a little bit of a problem. It never gets, you've just really got to get them to your staff to go on there and put their details on there. And what I would do is put it to not active at the moment, put them as an individual if they're a staff member. And if it's a company, what you want to do, so the company might be another company, maybe let's say for example, 2 pizza parlours, and 1 pizza parlour is in one area and another, or 2 lawyers, or you've 3 massage offices in different areas, you would put it as company. Also, if you're going to put a page up for a book or an event, etc., you put that as a company. I can't just change all the details. It's very simplified here. Obviously if it's an individual, it's an individual, and if it's anything else, it'll be company. So fill in all the details. Fill in the email. It has to be a separate email from you. You cannot have one company email for everybody. It will not work that way. So you have to put individual emails in. It's another security measure that we have. Choose the password, put in the address, fill it in as normal, and save it. And all you need to do with your staff is to send them the login details, which you'll see up here. They'll just log in, they go up here and they can log in with their username, which is their email, and their password, and then they will come into a dashboard with all of these same benefits apart from the sub-accounts. And you as the manager, you're the person, the main business owner or the boss of the therapeutic practice, you will have them listed here and you will control them. And the benefit of this is that they will be separately listed and will rank separately, and all the articles and everything that they do will be separate, but will power up your business. If they have their own websites, they can also put their own websites into their listings, etc., etc., and it will also give them a boost too. So the benefit is both ways, for your business and for them, if they're freelancers and they come into your premises or your practice. So it's very, very easy. Again, add your sub-account, very simple. Set it to not active for now. You can set it to active once they've done it and fill up all their details. That's up to you. Fill in the details, send them their login details and password, and that's it. And they can go ahead and they will have the same premium benefits as anybody else would have, which is a great saving for you. If you've got any questions, please just go down here to this little ball, and when you click it, you can send a message and we will get a notification. Make sure that you do send a message so that we get a notification. If we don't respond to you straight away, it's because we're busy. Just bear with us and we will get back to you straight away. Now, have a wonderful evening. God bless.